Hey everyone, it's me, Chris from Body Nova Fitness Coaching. And we're here today, we're going to talk about tricep press downs. It's a great exercise for your triceps there. You can almost find it anywhere because everybody has cable machines. They're pretty easy to perform, but some people make certain mistakes over and over. And we're going to talk about them there. It's an end range motion or exercise for your triceps. So I like to have an end range or fully contracted position exercise, a mid-range exercise, which would be like dips or triceps extensions, and a stretch position, which is any type of overhead tricep extension where the arm is actually up straight toward the ceiling and going overhead. Not just you're putting them overhead and you're pulling straight ahead like a tricep extension. Now, as I say this, okay, when you start the triceps press down, one of the things you're going to have to get comfortable with if you want to make this maximize your performance is the cable being in your face. Okay, so what people will do is they will try to perform the exercise with the hands and stuff very far away. Okay. What that does is the further that your arms get away from your body, the more your core is going to have to work to stabilize and hold you in place. Okay, and back in the day, I had a real problem with this because I was really strong at this, performing this exercise, and the weight that I would use would actually cause me to slide across the floor into the machine or towards the machine. So what I would do to remedy this is okay, pull it into closer to my center of gravity so I can use my body weight on it and have more control. So instead of sitting more out here and being far away, I pull it into my center of gravity and then I can put my weight over it. So if I put my weight over it, okay, I also had an advantage because I can protect my wrist. Okay, hands right on top of the bar. I use false grips, and the reason I use false grips is back in the day I used to use the normal grip, and I had a lot of wrist problems when I did tricep work. Okay, so I switched to the false grip so that my wrist is a shorter lever, so there was less stress on my wrist when I was performing the exercise. So I go right over the top of the bar, so the bar is my finger. I'm right over the top of the bar. Now you have to be able to hold on to this bar. You can't be, trying to disconnect from doing the exercise. You have to have a grip on the bar. So I'm over the top of it. I got my grip on the bar, and I pull it into me. Now I'm over the top of the bar. So now I'm wasting less energy. So now all I have to worry about is pressing down till my arm straightens out, okay, and then going right back to the position, okay. Now this is where everything gets a little uncomfortable with some people, because when I set my pulley, if I have the option of setting my pulley, I set my pulley to where I don't really have to reach up to pull it down. It's pretty close into there. So it might be right here. So I might be staring at a pulley as I'm going to do my press downs because I have it so close. So I don't have to reach up and get it. I can just get right over the top, lock myself into position, pinch my shoulder blades down, right on top of the bar, and get to work. Okay, so that cable's going to be right here. Now, what some people will do is they'll say, okay, well, I'm just pushing, it doesn't matter, right? So that cable will go to this side. So you're favoring this arm. If it goes this side, you're favoring this arm. So I want to keep it even if I'm using two hands on a bar, or even with the rope. If I use the rope as I'm pushing down, I'm not just pushing straight down, I'm pushing down, but I'm trying to move my hands as far apart as possible to get that going. So think about that. As you're pushing down or pulling down, get those hands far apart, okay? But either way, I'm trying to make it easier so I don't waste any energy and I can get the maximum effect from my triceps with this exercise. So you're gonna get closer to the pulley, pull the bar or whatever you're using into you, you know, so you can get over the top of it, not up here, over the top of it, sit right there and push right down. Push right down, keep your body still, locked in tight, pushing right down, using those triceps and staying in control. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions, make sure to let me know.